The biggest risk you need to manage is that from a potential cyber attack. As a business owner, you're responsible for the success of your business and the livelihoods of the people who work for you, which is why you'll often take actions to reduce the risk your business faces. Whether that's by hiring more staff to cope with demand or looking for alternative supply chains. The biggest risk you need to manage is that from a potential cyber attack. But, lots of business owners think this will never happen to them. That mindset is the biggest risk of all. If your business hasn't got the right protection in place, it's only a matter of time before you're hacked. And the results could be disastrous. Securing your business's IT defenses is always a smart thing to do. We can do this for you, so it's easy. Let's talk.